question that I'm sure you have thought about. I've thought about it, right? Which is, does luck matter in life? Now the fact is, luck does matter. Right? We would like to believe it does not, but it does. So the question is, does people who are successful, right, are they successful primarily because of luck? And if you are not lucky, then should we just say we are unlucky and give up? Now let me give you another example just to bring out some interesting thoughts. Let's say you're playing a game, and the game is that you are given a dice and you have to roll it. Right? So the dice has got 6 faces. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you roll it, and if you get 6, you win. If you get 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, you don't win. But this game has one special rule. You can roll as many times as you want. Now let's say you and I and some of our friends, we are playing. We roll. Maybe I get 4. You get 1. Somebody gets 6. First time. Now we will say, oh, that person was lucky. And that's true. But you and I, we have the choice to roll again. Roll again. If you keep rolling, there is a very, very high probability that at some point you will hit 6. And when you hit 6, you won. This may seem a very simplistic example, which it is, but it is kind of reflective of what happens in life. When we try to achieve our goals, try to do various things, some people get lucky, some people will take more attempts. But if we have the patience, if we can take the pain and the effort of rolling the dice again and again and again, right, there's a good chance at some point we'll get where we want to. Think about it.